Here we go. Marshall's Downtown Street Fest. Really? Yep. I'm almost about ready to go stand next to Matt and video this. Yo, Matt. You're fine, Katie.
Stuck up behind her side. That's my sister Katie.
Yes.
There's her boyfriend Cody.
Hi.
This is Katie Cody. Dad had a white stripe on the 97 and older. What did he go on? 1897. Brings that qualified. Who's it? The Rangers qualified. Yeah. I had my card last year. I'll give it again.
Look at that one.
You know who that red car is?
At first I thought that was Steve driving it. I'm doing video of every single car on the way. Oh, look at that one. Black one. Should I even ask Matt? Wow.
Rev it up! Still ain't got nothing.
Oh, come on, yell it out again. Look at the little one. Pipsqueak. Well, there's definitely your hippie bands.
Won't do it. Again. Better work. They are getting better.
Look this and seen Dad go like, "Hey, Dad, look at the decked out van." That's definitely an old horn. Oh, that's the car that was driving next to me and my dad yesterday. Oh, look at that truck. What? See, look, there's the decked out van. It is the same one. It has the monkey at the back. What?
As long as they don't overhear stuff.
Oh yeah, they're fine. Oh, you definitely gotta watch out for the older models. Oh look, there's a nice bright orange one over there. Look, it's Sully. Again, I'm making the mistake of putting this up on YouTube. Oh well. Oh, I remember seeing that one. It's a little wind-up one. Oh, look at the real old one coming up. Ah, my head's falling into my eyes. Does that dude have a little Pomeranian? Yes, yes he does. Wow. Okay, can you take my water real quick? Thank you. Woo! Oh, that one's for sale. M&M's. Really? Woohoo! Go Albert! Okay, gotta yell at him. Oh yeah, that's his mud buggy. Aw, look at the old tow truck, Uncle Dave. at the old tow truck. I know, but look, at the old tow truck. I did nothing. Okay? Oh wait, Matt. I did nothing, okay? There's a giant old gas. Oh.
That reminds me of the Chitty Chitty Bang the Bull Flower. Yeah, that's also a thing. Okay, that's a long one. Was that it?
Yep.